Wow, good morning. Hey, yeah. Okay. There's something that is really happening here. So, for those who joined this in the morning, wow. I see now. Things are good. So, for those who joined this morning, what do you see? What do you see here for those who actually joined us early this morning? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? I really begged you to buy from 84 and just look at how the market is really doing. My target is already achieved, and yeah. Miriam, how are you doing? Did you really have some positions in? Uliingia kidogo kweli? Let me just know. Yeah, because we said we are going to buy. Just look at how the market is actually doing here. And there's a lot of reaction. The reason I've actually decided to come live again, because there's a small reaction that is going to be happening across this zone here. You see, these are very, 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 very big rejection that is happening within that zone that you see across this area here, and that's why you see this market is trying really so hard. And remember, the moment you'll be moving or penetrating throughout this, then we are going to move to our region, this zone that we have here, and then we are going to focus on a good one. So Miriam is saying is taking the profit. Good, that's good. Yeah, so there's a reaction that is going to be happening of this market across this area here. So my positions, I think as well, I just took some positions out from here, 8, but as well, market is actually going to move all the way to this point here. So for those who missed to buy from the market of what we are talking about here, I think let's focus, because I think whether this market is not going to achieve this, probably we are going to have this tomorrow to see what we are going to do here, because it's not like this market is going to come here and then start selling. No, there's a lot of things that we're really going to consider here when this market comes to this zone. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. I'm seeing blues. I'm up $55. I'm seeing now. Wow. Congratulations over you. Who made some quite good amount of move. I really told you to just enter in there, because our strategy is really top notch. How much we make it simple, I really try to make it very simple. We analyze the prices of gold. And for those you really handled this, that was so amazing. Just see how the price is actually moved there, because even if you end like let's see, even 0.1 lot, 0.01 lot, that's a lot of money. Like this $20 plus $22, around 3,000, with the smallest lot size that you could have actually used right here, and that could have made you some quite good amount of money. Yeah. Who else actually handled? Because I think we are so many people here that were here, so I really want to know how many entered, because this is almost the third day that we are analyzing this market and then getting to the trends and running all the way to the TP. Yeah. So we are moving. So okay. Okay, so that is why I'm going to move. So there's a small reaction that might be happening just across this area here, but with the time, this is the big deal that we have here. You see here, the zone that I'm talking about here between 32 and 32.20, that is where we have big deal around that area. So Miriam, you are talking about Monday. So Monday, our exit was 38. I remember that too so well. Our exit was 38. Okay, that is why we had placed that stop. Actually, you remember this zone here. So that was our exit. I was actually right here. So this was actually our exit point. This was actually our exit point around this area here. So this was our exit point that we end on Monday, TP 38. Yep, we are TP38 there. Now we are trying to see whether this market is going to touch this and probably drop, and but when this market will be touching that 15 here, because now the market is trying to shift the direction, would be very important for us to observe this. Is going to be very important here. The candles that are going to be formed here, a lot of things that are going to be happening here. We are going actually to be very careful on what is going to be happening around this area. Yeah, so that was good. That was nice. That was a nice one. With the gold, now the gold is really moving. So we have that. Our more of our analysis is just based here. So let's see tomorrow again. Because of that, now tomorrow again, let's hope when this market comes to 33.15. Probably on that, maybe you can just go and get from the information that I gave you yesterday, so that you can analyze and see whether you can see anything from, in case this market actually that reverses from, or maybe it moves there before tomorrow 10 a.m. But I hope so. It actually strives to move to that place, but anything can really happen to the gold. It can actually move to a point there, of which if I not be alive that time, if the market moves there, then I'll analyze on my side and maybe share the information to some people. I don't know how I'm going to do that. You're saying that I'm trying to raise money to join. Okay, you're trying to join what? Okay, I have Telegram channel, but currently I'm posting free signals on that. That is what I'm doing. Yeah, just look at now the market is really doing 33.07, and we might be ending to 15.20. So that is the area I'm focusing on. But yet the reaction is going to be achieved on that. Probably it can push even this market to move all the way to 0.5 again, or maybe that is 3.99, but it's okay. Achieving that is okay already. So we have this region here of 19s, around 15s here. That is the most important and critical point that we are going to be having. So tomorrow, just invite someone, send them link. I'll make sure that I create a live for tomorrow very early, like today. Then you can just go to my YouTube and you see it's called what, premiering. Okay, I'll share just so that you can copy the link when I am live. Now you can share to someone. So Miriam is saying that you took your you entered around 32.85 and 94, and you have taken the profit. That's good, very nice. You must have been some good amount of money there, because from even 84 to all the way to where the price is like 06, that's good, be good. That is good already. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Yes, nice. That's nice. So now that is for today, because you see now things are good. Things are good now. Things are good. That is now the move that we've been waiting for. So tomorrow again we are here. I'll share some information. My number is there, but I'll see what I can do. I'll share my WhatsApp number, just WhatsApp number here. All right. We are good. We are going to go now. Very nice. Okay. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day. Have a great day. That was nice. That was so nice. That was good. That was a good one. Simple and clear to the point. Let's now wait. It's always good to follow how the market is doing. So, yep. Don't benefit only with this. Invite someone as well to this channel. Let your friend. You can actually revisit these and check the analysis of the morning analysis and this is going to help you. All right, bye and see you again tomorrow.